Hello students, welcome back to computer class, and today we are going to begin a new lesson number 7, stepwise thinking. So in this chapter you are going to learn reasoning and problem solving, how to solve the problems and how to think about that problems. Okay, so that is reasoning and problem solving, and you are going to learn cases showing stepwise execution. Some of the general examples are given. Our regular example, day-to-day life examples are given. By looking at that example, how we are in our day-to-day life, so how we are solving our problems, or so how we are implementing to solve that sums stepwise, so that we are going to learn. So let me begin this lesson, and before going to begin this lesson, if you are not yet subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any new videos. Children, we all have to do various tasks in our day-to-day life. In our day-to-day life, daily we are doing various tasks. Task means work. Okay, so we are doing various tasks, various work, different types of work in our day-to-day regular life. To accomplish any task, we require two things: reasoning and problem solving skills. To accomplish any task, to complete or to finish any task, accomplish means to get a success in that work, or you can say to finish that work. Okay, we require two things. Okay, one is reasoning and second one is problem solving. Okay, you should have these two skills. One is reasoning and second one is problem solving. What is reasoning and what is problem solving? So the definitions are given here. Reasoning refers to the act of thinking about something in a logical manner. So reasoning means act of thinking, means in your mind how you are thinking about that task. Okay, so how you are thinking about that task in your mind. Okay, so in a logical manner means so something in a different way. Okay, that is a logical manner. So that is a reasoning means act of thinking, means the way you are thinking about that problem in your mind, whereas finding a solution to any task requires step by step procedure known as problem solving. So now here, problem solving means what? So finding the solution for that whatever you are thinking in your mind. So for that task, for that work, now we require a solution to solve that. Okay, finding the solution for that task, and so for that solution, so it requires a step by step procedure. Okay, so it requires step by step instructions to solve that problem. Okay, suppose you have to organize a party. To do so, you have to follow the given steps. Okay, just imagine, now you want to arrange one birthday party at your home, and what are the steps you are going to follow to accomplish or to have that party successful. Okay, so what are the steps? So while celebrating the birthdays, you all have seen, so but you have not observed that the steps what you are following. So okay, see here, so that steps are given. So first one is make a list of invitees. Okay, first thing is you have to make a list of invitees for whom you are going to invite. First you have to make a list of those invitees, like your friends or relatives. Inform invitees through phone call or email. So after making a list, we have to invite them. How to invite? You can use phone, or you can send an email. Okay, or personally, if they are nearby people, you can personally go and you can call them. Make proper seating and eating arrangements for them. Then, so after inviting, they are going to come for your birthday, and when they come to your house, you have to make a proper seating and eating arrangement. If there is no seating or eating arrangement in that birthday, then so usually people blame that. So to avoid that all, you have to make a proper arrangements, make arrangements for their entertainment. See here, so next you have to make arrangement for their entertainment. At least you need to play some songs. Okay, so it becomes a little bit entertainment for those invitees. Greet the guests with love and warmth. So then you greet them. At least you have to ask something for them, so at least you have to speak with them, so with the love and with the warmth. Okay, otherwise if you are not speaking with them, so then again it creates a negative rapport. Okay, so that's why you greet them, you speak with them with the love. start and enjoy the party. Then afterwards you start your birthday and you can enjoy that birthday party. Every step written above holds its place and importance. So here whatever steps are given, so every step is very important and every step is very significant. Okay, because it is, so that step is having its own importance in that particular place. Okay, we don't, if we don't follow the sequence or skip any step, the result, okay, in this example party, okay, so the result may not be satisfactory. So now here steps are given, and if you are not followed that steps in a sequence, or if you skip some of the steps from this given steps, in that case what may be the result may not be satisfactory. So that party, so birthday party may not be proper. Okay, so everyone will blame, or some may scold those who are near our near ones, dear ones, so they may scold also, because of inconvenience you have caused uh, due to irregularities in that okay, so due to not proper arrangement of this party. So that's why, so every step is very significant, every step is very important. So how every step is very important, so that we will see, or that we will discuss in a next class. I hope you have understood this very simple example, one simple case study, so that is given here. I hope you have understood this point, and if you are not yet subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any new videos. Thank you for watching.